Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers. If you're interested in a decent choke knob for your S&S carb, if it's a Super G, Super E, this particular one here is called an S&S Star Choke knob. Okay, now as you can see, that's on the up position, so basically all your fuel is going to pour in. Now, if I turn this, as you can see now, the choke is off, and this completely stops that passage. But beautiful CNC made parts, also have a Maltese cross. And we also do skulls and God knows what, all different designs. So if you're interested in any S&S spares, here's a master rebuild kit, for instance. Mikuni cable, if you're into Mikunis, Mikuni adapters, typical throttle and carburetor kit stuff. But as you can see, we also do brakes, we do suspension, pretty well everything you'll ever need. The carburetors down here, you can see there's an S&S, there's a pair of twin Mikunis. But we do keep a lot of stuff. Okay, here's all your grips. Here's all your manuals, your brake pads, your ultrasonic cleaners, all your oil filters. 5-year batteries, very good quality. Your oil pumps, this is your twin cam, your Revos, 6-speed boxes, second-hand motors. You know, all your regulators, alternators, big barrels, big bore kits, 120 kits, your pistons, your rings, Sputh, Wysico, you name it. And of course we've got all the usual billet wheels, all your kind of bread and butter stuff. Okay, and obviously we do all your clothing, as you can see. We've got all your jackets, your footrests, etc. All your shocks, tuning things, electronic ignitions, GPSs, helmets, masses of helmets, LED headlights, stereo gear, you know, you name it. If we ain't got it, it ain't available. Okay, usual, more helmets, electronic ignitions. This is a complete chopper frame, American Iron Horse. More bags, bags of clothing, seats, more bags, and as you can see, masses of gear. So if you're into choppers or just normal bikes as well, we also deal with your CBR stuff, all that kind of gear, big fat back ends, God help us for the CBRs, and masses of gear. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.